He is the Chief Digital Officer at GE's Power Business in the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. At the intersection of IoT, energy, cloud, big data, predictive analytics, he is the leader of the digital transformation of the power industry. How can we lead the fourth industrial revolution with the emerging technologies driving business and enterprise innovation? We are pleased to have on stage the Chief Digital Officer at General Electric, Mr. Saad Hariri.
My name is Saad Hariri. I'm the Chief Digital Officer in GE Power, Middle East and Africa. I'm very pleased to be with you today and participating in this conference in Lebanon. As a matter of fact, when Madame Sween contacted me to participate in this conference, I did not hesitate to participate in a conference that is about sustainability, which is very important for the future of our children, about digital, my passion, and in Beirut. So who can say no to Beirut? So very honored to be with you today, and I hope in the coming 20 minutes or so we will talk a bit about digital industrial. But before we start talking about the industrial 4.0, it's very important to go back in time to the 18th century when we as a human witnessed a very important turning point in our history that changed our life. Industrial revolution that took place in that time changed the way we lived. Automation came in and a shift from handmade into mass production, a shift from limited production to machine-led production changed the way we lived and started a huge growth in economy, huge growth in jobs, trading, and even population. In this era of automation, where machines and factories, assembly lines were constructed, we started to invest heavily in infrastructure to support that growth. We had infrastructure for transportation, moving people and goods at scale. We had investment to power cities and have grid electricity extended everywhere in our life. And because of the Industrial Revolution, our life has never been the same. A few decades ago, we witnessed another major innovation that changed our life with the rise of the internet. In an era of digital revolution, our life is changing, and technology is taking an active core role in our life. We are living, and technology is at the center of our life. Think of how technology is getting bigger in our life to the limit that a single company, technology company like Apple, a few months ago, had a valuation exceeding $1 trillion. Just to put that in context, $1 trillion is more than the GDP of a rich oil country like Saudi Arabia, and it's twice as big as a developed country like Sweden. This is the scale that technology is bringing. And it's not only about scale, it's also about the speed of that technology that is bringing to our life. Think of another company, startup like Beirut, that managed to hit a valuation of $1 billion in less than 2 years. What does that mean? That next year, inshallah, when we meet here and talk about the second Sustainability Digital Conference, there is a great chance that we will be talking about something that is invading our life, that is popular and is used everywhere, that none of us in this room knows about now. And simply because it's not yet invented. Yet it will be invented, yet it will be grown, and it will reach $1 billion in less than a year. And technology is putting at our hand massive data. Data that we were unable to reach, we were unable to consume or analyze. And now because we have connectivity everywhere, our cars are connected, our human bodies are connected, our factories, home, house, everything is connected to the internet, and everything is generating data. Data that is bringing new value to us as individual as well as business. Data that we can leverage and use to improve the quality of life of people. And you can imagine a company like GE, for only generation and power-related assets that we are responsible for globally, we are receiving 200 billion data points every single day. This is massive, but this is important to improve that industry. And technology is causing the way we conduct business to change. We are changing the way we conduct business. Think of Amazon and the impact that they had to the retail industry. Amazon now conduct more than 600 transactions, sale transactions every single second. This is massive. And yet this will accelerate and grow and become more with the advancement of software, with the availability of applications in the App Store. More than 2 million applications are available for us to consume, download in our app. We have an application for almost every single thing that we need. And yet more will come. And more innovation will be coming, and our life will continue to be technology-driven, technology-centric. So the digital is impacting our life, and digital is disrupting every single sector. There is no exception. There is no industry that is exempted from this transformation. Entertainment business, Netflix, disrupted the whole business. No one is now buying CDs or cassettes. It's all online available. Amazon, we talked about Tesla, came to an industry, automotive industry, that is well established for many years. But they have disrupted that industry. They came up with the concept not only about electric car, about a car that is managed by software. A car that for the first time in our life we can upgrade after we purchase. I can download an application through the application and upgrade to my car, Tesla car, that can bring me new features, like autopilot, for example. Like in the case of storm last week that happened in Lebanon, if I want to uplift the car a couple of inches from the ground, this is achievable by simple download from Tesla. So the disruption is happening across all industry, including the industrial and manufacturing world. Think of what GE is doing in this domain. With the leveraging of the artificial intelligence, the machine learning, the robotics, the drones, the virtual reality, and how we are bringing new value to our customers and to the people. This is the digital industry. The merge of the digital world with the industrial is creating a new universe, is creating opportunities that are unlimited. Whether we call it digital industrial or industrial 4.0 or the fourth generation or revolution, the name is not important. It is big, it is massive, and it is disruptive. Let me give you an example of how this simple thing can be so disruptive. Back in the days when Thomas Edison invented the light bulb with the founder of GE, he created the light bulb, and that was a great industrial invention that we all as a human very appreciated to Thomas Edison. And it took the industrial world close to 80 years to come up with another breakthrough, another innovation, the LED, which again was invented by an engineer in GE then. And that was so important, but it is 80 years and maybe more until we reach the point that the LED that we are using now is consuming so efficient that it's consuming less than 10% of traditional power. The question is, should we wait for another 80 years for the next breakthrough to happen as people, as an industry? The answer is no. The answer is that we need to bring the digital value into that industry. We need to transform that light bulb, LED, and have it aware of the surrounding, have it connected to the internet, have some sensors that we can leverage, the mobile application, the AI, the machine learning, the cloud, the mobility, to do what? to optimize the usage of those tools, to optimize and improve the efficiency. Think of the saving that we can achieve by just turning off the light bulb remotely when we leave the house and we forgot to turn off. Think of scheduling the operation of this light bulb. From 10 p.m. until 6 p.m. automatically switched off. Think of adding the interactivity so that we have the motion detection that respond to the behavior of the people. By doing those things which are simple, we can immediately achieve optimization significant, 30 to 50%, that took industrial world 80 or 120 years to achieve. Augmenting and merging the digital with the industrial, again, create an unlimited opportunities. And this is not limited to simple example like that. The same concept applies for a very complicated jet engine that we trust with our life when we travel. The same concept applies by connecting that jet engine to the internet, have sensors embedded in this jet engine, collect the data, analyze it, and respond. And that will bring great value to the industry, the aviation industry. Think of the transformation that is happening in this industry. In the old days, we used to take like 30 parameter reading of 30 parameters every time a flight take off. We read the velocity, the speed, the temperature, the pressure, and we do that 3 times during taxiing, during cruising, and while taking landing. Do you have any idea how many parameters are measured every single time there's a flight? That 30 parameter now is 5,000 parameters. And those 5 parameters are measured not 3 times during the flight. They are measured every single second. This wealth of data is used again by manufacturers like GE to improve the quality of the design and the machines that we are generating. But also, this is bringing value to the operators who are avoiding the failure, the unplanned downtime, who is giving better service to consumer by having more accurate schedule of flights. And this is just an example. So the digital industrial is so disruptive, it's so important, and is changing the way we live. And because this conference is about sustainability, we cannot talk about sustainability without talking about energy. Energy is a sector that is causing a lot of emission. And reimagining that sector is so important. And this is what is happening right now. And nowadays, we are seeing a great shift from fossil fuel into renewable. The rise of renewable is impacting and changing the way we consume and generate electricity. Think of the technology and how that technology managed to reduce the cost of renewable and improve the efficiency. Think of the storage, energy storage, because renewable is great, but unfortunately during night we don't have sun. And sometimes we don't have wind. So to address that, we need to have an energy storage where we can store energy to use at a later stage. And think of electric vehicle, the zero emission, and the mandate that the world is bringing into this. Like Norway, for example, they have a mandate by 2025 not to have any car in the market that is emission. And the list goes long and long and long. And the conclusion is that technology is helping us to transform the energy sector. And we are moving from fuel-based to technology-based energy, from geology to technology, from digging the ground to extract fuel and burn it, to use resources that are available for free. And technology is the tool of transforming that free resources into power. According to the World Economic Forum, a study done 2 years ago, by just digitizing the energy sector, we are going to unleash a value of $1.3 trillion. Massive number. $1.3 trillion, but just transforming the energy sector. No doubt that this is a big number because currently, on average, 8% of the electricity is lost between generation and consumption. I wish that this is the case. Okay. But this is happening. This is a global thing. It's everywhere. Even in the advanced countries like the US, they are suffering from this because there is a limitation. However, with the digital era coming, there are solutions for this. We will be able gradually to improve on this. And the question is, Lebanon, where do we stand with regard to this? What's your fair market share of the $1.3 trillion? In two aspects. The first one, how can you optimize the operation, the grid that you have to minimize the losses and improve the efficiency? Not only that, how Lebanon can become a hub of innovation, an exporter for technology, an exporter for talent, skills, and you do not lack any smart resource, human capital in Lebanon. So the question is, what can be done to gain value of this wave of transformation that we are witnessing? And again, as I heard from my colleagues before, start with the legal frame, putting the rules and regulation that encourage innovation, investing in human capital, building startup and environment for incubation, and partnering with domain experts like GE, who is responsible for 1/3 of the electricity that is generated globally. And GE has invested heavily in this digital domain because we see the potential of that for GE as well as for customers. And for Lebanon, again, the journey has started. This is not something new. We have been working with GE and Lebanon for many years, and I'm glad to see that this is kicking off. Last summer we had great interaction. There is a good roadmap for the future to address some of the concern that Your Highness mentioned, Your Excellency mentioned about the lack of power, 1.5 giga missing, the grid problems, and I'm confident, very confident, that soon we'll have solutions for that when we work together. So in conclusion, I started my presentation saying that industrial revolution changed our life, and digital revolution is changing our life. Combining the two, creating digital industrial is going to change our life for the future. And if we look a few years ahead in the near future, very near future, and if we look behind, we will say that back in 2019, we had the opportunity to do something. We had the opportunity to gain out of this trend disruption that is happening. Some of us will regret at that time that they missed that opportunity. The others will be enjoying the benefits of being a pioneer in this. And I hope, genuinely hope, that all of us will be among the second group. Thank you. And if you have any questions,
so it's great to see that big companies such as GE is really heading towards the digital era. I work at PwC and we're also doing the same. So when it comes to our services for the clients, we're becoming more digital, learning technologies, and you gave really great examples of how you're doing the same. But it's sometimes easy for companies to really adapt to the new digital era, but then they face some issues when it comes to the customers. And they're not ready to take on these new technologies. Their mindset hasn't shifted yet. So what is your experience when it comes to your customers? Do you think that it'll take time for them to accept these new technologies?
So my background, I used to work for Accenture. I used to be a consultant, and that is a normal thing that I have seen in my whole career, which is the change management. People, they tend to resist change. And this is the easy thing for them, that I'm very comfortable with what I'm doing. I don't want anything to disrupt that. The good thing is that a few years ago, in my capacity in GE, I used to face this big time. I used to start from zero, educating customers and bench the value for them and educate them. Nowadays, it's getting easier and more awareness, more appreciation for that is getting into the customer. And the question is no longer whether you need this. Most of the time, the customer, they realize that they need this. The question would be how soon you will jump into this and how far you want to go into this. And this is happening thanks to the young generation getting into the workforce, and in those companies, they are injecting new fresh blood and new mindset into the...
Mr. Wainati, this was a very nice presentation of the technology that we are coming in. I just want to ask you something. Is this related to exponential thinking and exponential organizations?
What do you mean by exponential organization?
Let's talk about exponential thinking. Two guys like who created Airbnb from a simple garage, and they evaded the whole world of hotels, and the same as Uber. This is what I meant by exponential thinking.
This is in a way, yes. So think about this as a platform of innovation. There is no clear prescription or roadmap that I can give or anybody can give. This is more of innovation. There's no limit to where we can go and how far we can go. The potential, as I said, is limitless. And just combine all of these trends happening, the IoT, the cloud, the mobile, the AI, the drones, and keep going. It's the challenge that we are facing is how we can come up with a useful use case with something that will make a difference, with something that will improve the quality of the life of the people. And this is happening. This is happening. And the potential is amazing.
عفوا سؤال هيك بس شو الحل للبنان بالكهرباء؟ اشتغلتوا على شيء شو الحل للكهرباء بلبنان؟ اشتغلتوا شيء على دراسات خصوصا في هلا ممكن اللامركزيه للبلديات او حتى اتجاه العالم كله انه كل بيت يكون عنده ينتج الطاقه لحاله. كمان بالاضافه انه عندنا مشكله بالاداره الاساسيه يعني.
تمام. لبنان شريك استراتيجي لجي احنا بقالنا في لبنان من سنوات طويله. What I referred earlier in my presentation that we are building on that relationship. Last summer there was a joint effort between the government of Lebanon and our team in GE focusing on the power that they spent days and hours crafting a roadmap to address the specific needs and issues of Lebanon because there is no one solution fits all. There are areas where we need to have kind of microgrid, we call it, which is they become self-maintained and managed. There are areas that you need to have highly optimal grid, well managed by digital solution. There are areas that you need to renew and the aging fleet that you need to bring new generation capabilities. And I'm so proud of the effort that the team has done to craft that roadmap, and I'm confident that this will be soon starting to execute with the government of Lebanon.
Hello, thank you. First, I would like to know what are the challenges that GE or technology mainly are facing in order to develop. Like, what are the main challenges that GE is facing with this technology? We all know that technology is part of our environment today and it's part of our development for the future. But what are the real challenges that we will have to face and how can we face them? And what are the new technologies that GE is offering for the mass people and in which, what are the type of technology that is in the pipeline for the future?
Okay, so first of all, as the young lady mentioned there, change management is one of the major obstacles, culture change. That we are coming with something that is new to the traditional business. Not from GE, I mean in general. Like think of Uber and how they disrupt taxi. And until now, we have protests in Jordan, Amman, about this Uber, and they keep going in street and strikes because they reject that. And so change management and culture change is very important. And it has to be taken carefully and examined at the level of government, institution, and others. When it comes to technology is moving very fast. And we are seeing rapid changes. We have to start. The point of start is more important than having the perfect strategy. Many customers, many people, they say, I need to have the perfect strategy. I need to spend 2 years figuring out everything about it. I need to analyze all aspects of it so that I come up with a strategy that is, guess what? By the time you finish your strategy, you will have new trends, things change by that time, and you lost the opportunity of getting the value. So the thing is that good enough is good. Start now. Start with what is available and take that agile process of learning, improving, failing, and improving. Keep going. This will be the ultimate strategy. The technologies that we are presenting as GE, again, I am coming from digital, and speaking of digital, we have done massive investment in that area. More than $5 billion over the past few years were invested in this just to come up with solutions and technology that our customers and consumers will benefit from. But also from the other business, the power. We are investing heavily in the sustainability, the renewable. We are investing heavily in the energy storage, which we see this is a winning thing, and it's very important for the future. And you will see this coming more and more from companies like GE. Thank you.
Following up on MP Nadim's question actually about digitization and what GE has been able to do, you have massive amounts of data, great R&D and so forth. How are you engaged in the areas that you are in, i.e. Lebanon, Jordan and so forth? How are you engaged in terms of knowledge transfer, R&D with the academia to move and create capacity building in the countries that you actually operate in to do that transfer and so on? CSR. Thank you.
Good. So 2 questions. The first one, this data that GE is capturing, so what are we doing? So I have an example about the jet engine, for example. We have a technology, we're capturing 200 billion data points every day in GE from assets like the jet engine. What we are doing with this is we are designing better engine. Now there is an engine we are launching called Derive, and let me just give you the value of this technology. We are moving from an engine that has more than 800 parts and using the 3D printing to manufacture an engine that is almost 15 parts, from 800 to 1.5. You can imagine the saving in manufacturing, the cost, the reliability, the maintenance thing. So this is important, and this is an example of how data can be used and leveraged to bring better innovation. The other question is around human capital and knowledge and investment. And this is very important for GE and particularly for GE Digital, because we see this as a very important one. An example that I can give you, a great success that we have is in Algeria, where we have partnered with Sonalgas, the generation company in Algeria, and we have given them state-of-art kind of technologies, digital power plant, all automation, but equally important, more importantly, we gave them a full educational and knowledge transfer program to invest in the young Algerian engineers. We are embracing them within GE, give them the knowledge, hand over to them the know-how, so that over time they are capable to manage and go beyond Algeria. And this can be repeated again in Saudi, it can be repeated again in Egypt, and can be repeated again in Lebanon. Especially in Lebanon, from my experience, I have direct interaction in my life with the Lebanese engineer, and I know how capable they are, how intelligent and smart they are. So that should not be an issue. It's just putting the right framework and the right engagement model so that those young engineers can be empowered and taught to become the leaders of this wave. We're running short of time. Thank you for being great audience. I'm looking forward to see you again.